In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, you don't have to open it. You can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down a tiny bit to click on Apps. And then scroll again to click on Default Apps. Following that, you need to hit Home up here and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. Then wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, go into Launcher app and operate whatever options you want. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you need to go back to Default App Settings and click on Moto App Launcher. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!